Lapha kuma-diaries abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ngesimo sabo.
Ukhuluma ngaso vele.
No.
No, ukhuluma ngaso. Mthobeni don't. Ukhuluma ngaso mfowethu and
Okay.
yazi why ngithi ukhuluma ngaso?
Yeah.
Ngoba ukhulume ngaso kumina emehlweni.
Okay.
So lokho kwama-diaries
Hello, good people. Welcome to Pusher News. And as you can see, Makhumalo and Musamsambeni have a date, and Makhumalo felt like she's just being tired of it. You know, she's been talking about these things like Musamsambeni is just making her feel like she's crazy because these are the things that Musamsambeni has said. And when Makhumalo talks about these things, Musamsambeni is saying no. That's not true. I did not say that. Now it comes back to the sensitive part of our pregnancy. As we know, Makhumalo doesn't have children of her own, given the condition that she's got. Almost something doesn't seem to have empathy toward this, or doesn't seem to have like sympathy toward this. And Sibonile, obviously, one of the things that, of course, they don't see eye to eye. They're having this disagreement is just Umusa not having sympathy towards this, and this is the dinners table they had together to allow to talk about being
Okay.
off camera.
Okay.
Sikhulume ngako wakusho ukuthi
Okay, Mzilikazi.
lento engicathi ngiyayicontribute yilutho versus into efunwa wena ongayitholile. You are tired of waiting. Vele he said it emehlweni nami ukuthi he is tired of waiting. Why?
I know, like they say, words really do hurt, but then also what they don't say is that words really do cut deep. Words say, somebody can say something to you today, and 10 years, 20 years, it's never gonna go away. It will always be there in your heart, especially when you receive words like these from our loved ones, from the people that claim to love us, from the people that claim to be one of our people, and then they say something like this. So almost I'm sorry we didn't have empathy. We would see akhulume noThobile ngalendlela la akhuluma ngakhona, knowing very well ukuthi uThobile udila nani and how hard it has been for her. That on its own shows ukuthi like when it comes to this situation or to this issue, it should have been a very selective even words of how you put it, to make sure that you don't hurt her pride, you don't hurt her emotions, you don't hurt her feelings, you don't hurt her confidence, and this is the last thing she needed from her husband. It was her husband right here, not understanding, not feeling like, because almost I'm saying at the end of the day, he is got children of his own, and he still wants more, which is like disregard of Thobile, the way she feels like I cannot have children of my own, and maybe, I'm not saying of course she wanted special treatment, she just wanted her husband to understand Thobile, she cannot have children, and also don't make it hard for her. But no, he doesn't seem to be very sensitive towards this matter.
Am I not conceiving naturally? Esho manje lelanga engisagcina ngalokukhuluma ngathi ngiyakwazi ukulala kwami wesho lawo mazwi ngisukuma ngithi sengicela uhambe. It's because wathi ukhathele ukulinda, he's been waiting for over 5 years emele ukuthi ngikhulelwe natural. Kusho umuntu owazi ukuthi ngakhathwa ama-tubes owu2 watshela mina emehlweni wathi manje uzongitshela indaba yokuthi kufanele ngenzeni ngabantu ngenzile iphutha mina ngibe ngitholile umuntu wami ozalayo. So those are the words our show mean. So
that is very painful, and we can see the pain and the hurt and the trauma, the stress, the depression towards Thobile expressing herself when it comes to this, because this is something she cannot control. This is something she didn't have control over. Natural things, you cannot control them, and if somebody is gonna be with you knowing very well that it's beyond your control, and they choose to be with you, and then at some point they decide also to throw that in your face, it's really, really, really painful to see. We hope you heal, Makumalo. We hope you have, you do get to the healing point. I know it's very traumatic. It's not very nice for your husband, especially now he's got another little child, another little baby. And then he's going to be throwing words like, I have been waiting for 5 years. Why don't you conceive naturally? When, as Ash, or when he knows very well, Gutsoma Kumalo, they cut both of her tubes. And now Makumalo is being questioned for even raising Umpilo, like, no, you should have done it. I mean, what were you there for if you don't do it? I'm not saying she wanted so much credit, but to be valued into what you do and be appreciated. There's not much effort, honestly. It's just something that you can do to your pet, to the person that you claim to love. Just appreciate the person you're with. It goes a long way. Little appreciation really does go a long way, and we don't see almost some having that. People have said, Musa Msalog is acting this way because, yeah, obviously he feels young. He's had a good he said he's got another wife, man, and he's still shooting and shooting and shooting. Yeah, it is fine, but also when it comes to like individualism now with the Toby, it should have been a different approach. I do understand also, and I do believe what he did not say those words basically to harm her. I don't think he would intently like harm his wife. I think it was more of maybe him expressing himself, of which anyway we have seen throughout all seasons. Musa Mselegu's tongue is very sharp. The way he speaks, it's just very sharp. He will say something like nobody's business because he's also speaking his mind. But here we see a man also who is more into feeling like, he feels humiliated. He feels embarrassed for saying these words about me. That is why he feels like, let me have a chat with her and try and understand. Maybe he doesn't even remember him saying these words.
Uyawashintsha manje ngoba useyarealize ukuthi i-excitement mhlambe siyehlile, but ngaleso sikhathi was so excited ehambe bika ukuthi ukhulelisiwe, so ebona ukuthi I'm a waste of time. Zolwane ngitshelani nohluleka ukwenza leyo nto.
Uyazi Mzilikazi, into ebuhlungu mina ngikusaphotile kukona konke obuthi akwenziwe. Manje kuzoba kukhona ukuthi wena uthi bengikhuluma ngalokho ngoba mina
phela Lwandle noma ungisupporthe kanjani but ngihlulekile ukwenza. That's what you are saying. I'm not blaming you for feeling like you are tired.
Kusho mina ukuthi uhlulekile wena.
You did say ukuthi lokho kusho njalo TV.
Wena kwenzekeni ngesathi mina ngisupport. Kwenzekeni.
What do you mean?
Angithi uthi kusho mina ukuthi uhlulekile. Okay, kusho mina. Wena kwenzekeni. Wena uhlulekanga.
Okay, eyiphi iphathi engihlulekile ngoba le gama lokuhluleka ilona mhlawumbe lenkinga. Didn't I fall pregnant several times ngibe nama ectopic pregnancies? Angizange ize ngilale esibhedlela ngihlinzwa ngenxa ama ectopic pregnancies. Angizange ize ungibone ngisafarisha because of that.
Iyona
ukuhluleka lokho.
Oh, here we go again. Musa Msalego is still not articulating his words properly. I think what he's trying to say here, Kumakumalo, is that maybe he might have put it in a way ku TV ukuthi uhlulekile, but did he really fail or did she really fail because he had supported her throughout the journey? He has supported her, and naye Makumalo also knows ukuthi Musa Msalego has been supportive, and vele supportile basically. And if ufailile, maybe the word fail is not like a good term to use, but yeah, they have failed. Although it's not coming out properly, because it feels like, how can I fail something that I cannot control, But also in terms of practically, if they have tried all several ways of trying to make Makumalo to conceive, and they have done it all they have done the journey, and it's still not passing, that means they have failed. The attempt has been failed, isn't it? So, Musa Msalego It's just not putting the words properly. Yes, they have failed in what they are doing, but that does not mean ukuthi uMakhumalo has failed, Yena herself, because this is not something she has control over.
Is that what you
No,
regard
no,
as
no, no,
ukuhluleka?
no.
No, I'm asking.
No,
Ngifuna ukuba
angisho.
clear because when I'm told ukuthi ngihlulekile ngathi mhlambe angikhonanga ukukhulelwa.
No.
So
no,
angizange
no,
ngize
no,
yini ngizame
no.
nawe.
Ngithi uthi wena mina ngathi uhlulekile. Ngithi
But
wena uthini? Wena uthini?
Ufuna mina ngivumelane nawe ukuthi
No, angifuni uvumelane nami. Ngifuna uthi awuhlulekanga. Ungathi mina ngithena wena uhlulekile.
Awulandle ngisho into eshilo njena.
No, mashobani. Mina nawe sihambile saye esibhedlela. After sekwenzekile laba ectopic pregnancy. Siyozama ukuthi kube khona abantu. Okay.
Kahluleka mina.
Really tough to come to terms with the word fail. How does it be in regard to how does the other person receive the word fail? It's a very sharp term even to use, but the concept is basically they have failed to have a child. That is the concept from this whole thing. It's not coming up right. It's not being delivered properly. It's just being delivered in a very harsh way, in a very painful way, because he's even asking uMakhumalo ukuthi okay ke wena uthini, khohlwa imina ngithi mina ufeyilile ngithi wena uthini ke wena awuhlulekanga wena. Even that, it just comes as if somebody who's not being like sensitive towards how you feel, But in regards to the whole concept is they have failed to have children. They have tried a million times or a couple of times or however ways, they have tried different ways and it's not working. They have failed together. Well, basically, uMakhumalo has failed because Umusa Mseleko can have children. So uMakhumalo has failed. But this type of failure is not a failure that she could have controlled. It is something that she has no control over. Painful, but yes, it is the truth. Anyway, let me know what you guys think, and it's always lovely to have you. See you next time. Bye.